Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel. So make sure you like and subscribe, turn on those notification bells for all of the latest updates, and today, let's get right into it. So today I have a very exciting unboxing for you. I finally did get my Versace La Medusa bag in the color Lilac, so let's take a closer look at it. So first things first, it does of course come in the box, but one thing I have to mention with the box is Versace really does need a bigger box. So when you open the box, the first thing I have to tell you is definitely make sure you take out the bag right away, because right here, the top handle is going to be pushing on the actual box. So I can definitely say that Versace does need a bigger box, because, when you get a $2,000 handbag, the last thing you want is the top handle of it to be like a little bent, and the last thing you want to do is fix it yourself. So with the price point, definitely get a bigger box, I say Versace. Okay, so here's the La Medusa from Versace. This one is in the color Lilac in the size medium. Of course, we have the lovely Medusa head on the top of it. And when we spin it over, we do have this little part where you hang all of your straps on. On the back, it does say Versace. Of course, you know me, I will be taking a closer look very shortly. But, it's just such a beautiful bag all around. This one does have some feet on the bottom of it, so it's always like placed perfectly and you don't have to ruin the bottom of the bag. So when you first open the bag, you will see these bullet type things to like hold down the weight of the top handle. And then when you open it up, it's just like one large compartment inside. It does have two pockets right over here. And then it does have the zip one, which it is like a little complicated to like get it unzipped and zipped, but it's not really that big of a problem, so it's okay. But it's just so beautiful, and it is lilac all inside and throughout this entire bag, and like hearing it close is also like a good moment. So with this, like you drop it, and then pick it up, and then it locks. So it's so cute, and I absolutely love it. This one did retail for $2,500 after tax. It came out to like about 28, but it is such a good sturdy bag and great for every day. So of course this bag does come with this amazingly cute strap. This is the strap that everybody does talk about, but I have to be honest with you, this is made out of acrylic, this chain, so this is honestly like a 10-cent chain. It's not like heavy duty or like super sturdy at all, but it is really cute with the bag, like I'm not gonna lie. It's such a cute moment together, and I do love this chain even though it is, not the like best quality for a chain. Of course, this bag does come with a crossbody chain as well, so this one, obviously is so much longer and great for like crossbody or putting over the shoulder. Now, I will show you a little later on in my close-up that both of these chains cannot go on at the same time. So what I did was I got a little crafty and I got some extra pieces to, make it work for me. Because I love using the crossbody strap and still having this one hanging off it. I think it's so cute together, and it's like such a moment, and I love them both. Okay, so here we have the close-up on this amazing Versace La Medusa bag in the color lilac in the size medium. This one is made out of calfskin leather, and this one is grained leather, so you can see like the little pebbles on it are super cute. Not super like soft and like delicate, but definitely not like Saffiano leather. It's like a nice in-between. Taking a look at like the stitching and just like, all of the detail in it, it's absolutely like amazing to me. And I love, love, love the Medusa head on it. And here's a super close-up on the actual Medusa head. This one is so, like, brilliant to me. I've always loved Medusa, and I will have a video about her specifically coming soon, so keep an eye out for that. So now we have the back of the bag, and like I said, it does say Versace down here at the bottom. So super cute. I love, like, the little touch of Versace, and of course, the stitching is beautiful. So here's the inside of the bag. It actually has some adjustments, so you can actually make the bag tighter if you wish. It does have the one zipper in the back, and one very large compartment. Very, very cute inside. Of course, it has the two pockets up front, and it's very roomy in here. It actually does fit everything that I do need in it. When it comes to these straps right here, you can see that both of them just simply would not fit in it at the same time. So I put the thick crossbody one in first, and then I got two gold hoops, and I put them on that. That way I could put the acrylic one on the gold hoop, and have both of them on at the same time. And now you can see that they are both on nice and tight, super cute, and you are all set to go. Another thing that I'd love to share with you guys is with this purple chain with the La Medusa, I love to put it on my mixed print hobo bag because they go so cute together, like what a moment it is. So last but not least, I did end up getting a free purchase with my La Medusa. So when it came, I actually ended up getting this Versace bathrobe, so super cute. This one did come for free for me, and I was like, whoa, that is absolutely insane. So the fact that I myself got a free Versace bathrobe, absolutely amazing. And yes, this one will have a review coming soon. So would I recommend this bag to you? 100% yes, absolutely. Now this bag was so hard to choose from. They had so many great colors. Of course, they have the lilac, but they also have the lilac in a crocodile, which I would absolutely love. So besides the crocodile and the lilac, of course I do want the classic black and gold. Black and gold will, obviously absolutely go with like everything I own, and it will be so perfect for me specifically. But I also did fall in love with the red one. The red, it's just like so like vibrant, but so like dark red at the same time in person, and I absolutely love it. And then of course they just came out with this like dark blue one, and the dark blue, I love it. Of course they have like a light blue as well, and I did want the white blue one, but the dark blue I would definitely get before the lighter one, I can definitely say. So yes, I would definitely recommend this bag. It's great for every day. They have so many different colors, and I absolutely love it. You really can't go wrong with it. So yes, I 100% recommend this bag. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment down below, and have a great day. Au revoir.